We are back at Basket Galore, and today we are looking at our versions of Easter gift baskets and Easter hampers. What I have in front of me is called the Easter Break.
I've got Easter Bunny.
The Easter Bunny. Everybody, I think at Easter runs and just buys
lots of chocolate.
Lots of, even just Easter eggs, like lots and lots and lots of them, and gifts. You know, I know family friends who'll maybe buy their children like 3 big eggs, a few things of like mini eggs and cream eggs, and throws, like, just puts it in a bag and gives it to them. But I think we're looking at a lot more lavish and kind of how can you do it nicer and better. Yeah, so I think if we start with yours, we probably have
I've got Bunny,
our Easter Bunny gift basket. It is probably more aimed at children, but there's no reason why.
Yeah, lots of big children get this. And again, it can be for partner, sister, brother. It's so flexible. It's so versatile. As an Easter gift to send.
Yeah, because we've come in, a lot of people wouldn't, well, we associate with bunnies, but putting a cuddly toy actually in is something that, you know, a lot of people would miss. It's too quick to go for those Easter branded products, where we've kind of gone for other things as well. So if you're thinking of sending an Easter gift yourself and you want to create it yourself, get your box or your basket. Don't forget about the presentation. Think about who you're sending it to. What do they like? Do they love chocolate? Well, that's easy. Every aisle of the supermarket at Easter will provide that for you.
Yeah.
But if that is not their thing, do they love their specialty teas? Do they like biscuits more, or different types of crisps? And just think about who you're sending it to and how you want to present it. And we've got obviously our fun elements for children and more nicer, expensive kind of chocolates.
We find that this type of that one's for a family. You know, we've just brought a selection of our range out there for you to sort of like go, okay, well, that's a concept, that's an idea, or whatever. This one here tends to be very popular because it's bought maybe for like a staff, corporates or something like that, because it's just a little mixture of everything. This is why we're saying whenever we're doing Easter gifts, it's mostly as a sort of like a little tangible expression of love from mothers and fathers to their adult children. Yeah. Funnily enough, it's not the stereotypical, conventional Easter hampers or Easter gifts that you might typically think of. And that's what makes gift baskets a really, really brilliant thing for you to do and put together your own expression of it. I think that this is the pinnacle of our thoughts after 20 years.
These are just two of ours, so we do have plenty of others. If you need more ideas or want to check out the other products that we have, don't forget to look at them as well. So we have placed our gift baskets, our Easter gifts, through the heat tunnel. Is that what we decided on? The heat tunnel?
It's a shrink wrapping. It's a shrink wrapping tunnel now. On the off chance that you don't have a shrink wrapping tunnel in your living room.
You can get bags in gifting stores, and you'll pop your basket, your creation into it. You kind of then sellotape it down at the bottom, and then use a hairdryer or some sort of
Dyson hairdryer. They are brilliant.
It takes all the air out and it molds it to the shape the way ours look now, just to kind of give it a professional look.
Yeah, a finish. You can't just put it into a
bag at this point after going to all the effort.
Going to all the trouble, yeah.
Bow in the middle, and then we have ribbons for every occasion. We have our Easter ribbon. So mine has like little Easter chicks and baskets with multicolored eggs, and just tie that around just for a wee finished professional look. It just shows the thought, attention and care that you've gone to with this gift.
That's how we do Easter gifts in UK and Ireland. Okay, lovely.